Ian here with CruzTOOLS, and this is the Roadtech IN2 kit for Indian motorcycles. This is a version 2.0 kit that's updated for the modern Indian motorcycles from the Scout, the Chief, and the Chieftain lines. This toolkit is made specific for those motorcycles in a few different ways, so let's break into the kit and see what it's all about. There are two 27mm axle wrenches in this kit. Rather than just having axle wrenches alone, we've made these both combination wrenches, which include a 14mm and a 22mm end. This is a shock spanner wrench. This is only used on the Scout model motorcycles. This is used to adjust the preload on the rear shocks of the bike. There are three combination wrenches in 10mm, 12mm, and 13mm. These have an open end and a boxed end. An 8-inch forged steel adjustable wrench. Compact but very sturdy locking pliers. These have adjustable jaws to fit fasteners of all different sizes, and when you latch them down, they stay locked tight. A motorcycle-specific pencil tire gauge is included that reads from 10 to 50 psi. You should never leave home without zip ties and mechanics wire. These come in handy to fix all sorts of roadside issues. There are 5 hex keys in this kit for use on all of the socket cap and button head bolts on your bike. There's a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and an 8mm. This 6-in-1 combination screwdriver and nut driver is very useful. It's reversible. On one side you have a PH2 Phillips driver and a 2.5mm flat blade driver. On the other side you have a PH1 and a 3/16 flat blade driver. When the bits are removed, these sockets become nut drivers. This side is a 6mm and this side is an 8mm. These modern Indian motorcycles also include a number of Torx fasteners to hold on the bodywork as well as some of the frame components. So we've included a T25, T27, T30, T40, and T45 Torx wrench. There are 4 sockets included in this kit, an 8, a 10, a 12, and a 13mm. These sockets have their size laser etched onto the side to make it easy to tell which socket you're holding. A compact 1/4-inch drive ratchet that's reversible for tightening or loosening is included, as well as a short extension. This ratchet includes a 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism in the head that works smoothly in all conditions. A compact roll of duct tape is included in this toolkit. This 14mm by 16mm hex axle adapter is required to remove the front axle from the Chief, Chieftain, Roadmaster, or Scout Indian motorcycles. To use this, slide the appropriately sized end into the front axle on your motorcycle and then use the adjustable wrench to loosen or tighten the opposing side. The flap at the top of this tool roll makes sure that once you've rolled it securely, none of the tools can come out the top or the bottom of the tool roll. This kit rolls up nicely into a compact shape and it comes in just under 4 pounds. If you'd like to learn anything more about our toolkits, visit CruzTOOLS.com. Thank you for watching.